All religions are against sex. Spirituality is a mental, it's not a body's game.
What is brahmacharya?
We don't talk about abstinence of sex, but we're talking about you conserve your energies for a better reason. Aham Brahmasmi.
Welcome, sir. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule and being here. Sir, today I want to talk about what is brahmacharya. In many traditions, they propagate the concept of brahmacharya or abstinence of sex so that you can reach higher spirituality. So what is the correlation? What does brahmacharya really means?
Brahmacharya, the very word meanings to move in your Brahma consciousness, to live in Brahma consciousness. Chara means to move.
Right.
Brahma means the all-encompassing consciousness.
Right.
So Brahmacharya means actually living, moving, being, becoming in your God consciousness. That is Brahmacharya. But what happens, all the words are twisted to suit religious stupidities. All religions are against sex. Science is never against sex. So all these religious people have twisted so many words, and this Brahmacharya is another word. The very word clearly says it is to move in Brahma Jnana,
Right.
Brahma consciousness.
Right.
Aham Brahmasmi. That is what is Brahmacharya. Coming to the common meaning that has been given, abstinence of sex, I personally feel it is stupid. I find no reason. It is like this, Supposing you are having a major project in your mind, you have to conserve your energies
Right.
towards that end.
Right.
Then you should not indulge in minor commitments
Right.
to save energy,
Right.
so that you have got a major commitment.
Right.
In that case, it is correct.
Right.
Not in general. If you want to conserve energy, I will give you an example.
Right.
In the year 1996, one whole year I was in Mauna.
Right.
In those days, I was the only person to speak about meditation. There was nobody else.
Right.
So when I went into silence, all our masters, they complained against me. If you keep quiet, then who is going to teach? Why are you keeping silent? I said, I don't know. I got some inner intuition. I may be conserving 1 year's energy so much that it may be useful for my future activities.
Right.
I got a message, intuitive call, that I should go into silence. It may be temporarily disadvantageous, or you may not want it, you may not like it, but it is, on a long run, it is very, very useful for me. And that has happened so. After 1 year of Mauna, I have conserved so much energy that I was very useful afterwards. So now, what did I do in Maunam? I conserved my energies.
Right.
So the same thing with the sex abstinence also. You conserve your energies for a better reason.
But provided you know how to direct it in the right direction or for a better use, right? If it is giving you more frustration or anger.
Don't use the word direction.
Right.
You conserve certain energy, you save some money, 5 lakhs rupees,
Right.
to construct a house.
Right.
You don't go for movies, then you can't spend, you don't have enough money to buy a car or a house.
Right.
You will be very frugal. So that is called as, if you are having a big project in your mind, then you should find ways to conserve your energy in all ways, including sex abstinence.
Right. Right.
That will help your major project.
Right. Right.
Okay. If there is no major project, you are a normal person.
Yes.
You don't have to abstain.
Right.
You can eat, you can go to a movie every day and spend all your money.
Right.
Money is meant to be spent.
Right.
So, Brahmacharya, sex abstinence, you have to understand in all those concepts,
Exactly.
contexts.
True, sir. True.
It is not at all a proposal in PSSM.
Right.
In fact, in PSSM, the body itself is not a proposal, let alone the sex of the body.
Right.
It's all a mental game. Spirituality is a mental, it's not a body's game.
Right.
They have made it a body's game. Spirituality, they have made it a body's game. It is not at all a body's game.
So there are so many kriyas which they say ki
Oh,
you can
my goodness.
transcend your sexual energy into higher energy.
Hatha
and,
yogic
Hatha
pranayamas,
yogic
the
pranayama,
whole
yeah.
load, whatever is concerned with the body, I don't care for it. What happens if I lose my body? Nothing happens to me.
Right.
Then where is the value for the body for me, even now when I am having the body? All these body-oriented religions, body-oriented moral practices, body-oriented cautions against immoral practices,
Right.
well, we don't care.
Right.
For me, they are all stupid people. Yes, energy conservation, yes. When there is a major project you are considering, then it is wise not to spend money or energy in smaller causes. Gandhiji had a major purpose in his life. And every Monday he never used to eat, never used to speak. That's how he conserved his energies. Everything is a matter of conservation of energies and utilization of energies in a proper way. And maximization of energies,
Right.
not dissipation of energies.
True.
These are the key words.
Yes.
Never any dissipation of energy. There is conservation of energy, there is proper utilization of energy, and seek chances of maximizing energies. In meditation, you maximize your energy.
Yes.
So we don't talk about abstinence of sex, but we are talking about meditation. Increase your meditation.
Yes. Yes.
Maximize your energies.
Right. Focus more on
Oh yeah.
maximization than on conservation.
Become a rich person energy-wise.
Right. Right.
That's what we focus upon.
Yes.
And when we ask people to meditate, they are happy.
Right.
They maximize their energies. And it doesn't matter whether they have sex or not sex. When you are Karodpati, you don't care for 100 rupees expenditure.
Right.
But if you are not a Karodpati, if you are only earning a few thousands of rupees, every 100 rupees is valuable. We want every 100 rupees fellow, 1000 rupees fellow to become a Karodpati through the practice of meditation.
Right.
That is our focus. We don't bother about dissipation of energies. We don't care. You are a rich person, yeah, you can throw money left and right. You can throw energy left and right. You are a Karodpati.
Right.
Focus on that.
Yeah. So that is more like coming from a lack consciousness.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
have to move to abundance consciousness.
Yes, you are right, Swamiji.
Yes. Thank you, sir.